In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link data between sheets and spreadsheets in Google Sheets. Whether you're consolidating data from multiple sheets or need to reference another spreadsheet, these steps will guide you effortlessly through the process. First, let's get started by opening a Google Sheet. Once you have your spreadsheet up and ready, move over to cell B2 and type an equal sign. This is the start of creating a formula that allows you to pull data from another sheet. Now, let's click on the tab where the data you want to link is located. For instance, you might have a sheet named St. Mary's. After clicking on it, select the specific cell you wish to link from and press Enter. Next up, use the autofill handle, which is that small blue square at the bottom right corner of the cell, to drag across from B2 to E2. This will efficiently copy and apply the formula across these cells, making the process quicker and ensuring greater accuracy. Now, click on cell B3 and repeat the first steps. Type an equals sign, navigate to your desired tab. Let's say this time it's called Star Clara. Click on the cell you want, then hit Enter once more. Just like before, use the autofill handle to drag cells from B2 to E2. If you want to pull in data from an entirely different spreadsheet, you'll need to perform a similar procedure, but with a tiny twist that involves the use of the import range function. Open your second spreadsheet, and when you're ready to bring the data pair the sheets in your main document, click on B2, and in the formula bar, start typing x import range with an open parenthesis and a quotation mark. Here's how it works. Go to the main spreadsheet that contains the original data, find the spreadsheet ID in the URL, which is the unique identifier located between dpua and #edit. Copy this ID, then return to your second spreadsheet. Now, complete your formula by pasting the spreadsheet ID within quotation marks, follow it with a comma, and specify the range you need, for example, B2 E2. Then close it all with a set of quotes in a parenthesis like this, x import range, spreadsheet ID, B2 E2. Finish up this formula by hitting the Enter key. You might be prompted to allow access, in which case simply follow any additional prompts, accept any permission notices, and the linked data will appear. That's it. You've successfully linked cells within and between your Google Sheets. With these straightforward methods, manage and interact with your spreadsheet data more effectively and seamlessly. Stay tuned for more tutorials in Google Sheets coming your way soon.